analyze first, ne?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are brand traders. They give us inventory on hand at the beginning. This is the beginning, ne? And this is the end.
Yes.
It's important because sometimes if you don't know which one is the beginning and which one is the end, it can be a challenge. So this is where we ended our period. They gave us information about our, manufacturing accounts, so we'll come back to this. And then obviously this is the end. Let me say this end, I must take it here because I know it's the end there, but that's the end period. But these figures are at the end. Let me put it here. And here I'll say end at the same time. They are, I'm just trying to, what is it? Yeah, I'm gonna, it is okay. And then here I'm gonna write end or during, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, because something can happen at the end, but end is still part of during the year. So that's what we need to do. We have been given information here. They say depreciation on factory. Can you see now? This will affect us because we are dealing with manufacturing. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And then this is the information that they gave us. The carrying value, for some reason, we'll come back to it. They say included in the direct labor, there is an amount 1,500 that was paid on the 1st of March 2022, which relates to the 2022 financial year.
Okay.
So 2022 financial year is the period that ended 28 February 2022. And our period is 2020?
8 February 2023.
Yes. So meaning this figure we need to check, consider, we need to consider it because obviously it's not part of what? It's not part of the financial year, it's part of the previous year. If I may ask you, what do you expect to do with this amount?
Um, we don't calculate it because it's not part of the 2023 financial year.
But they say it is included in our year for, it is included in our figures for this year. That's what they're telling us.
So
I agree
we're
with you.
going to include.
We're gonna?
So we're gonna include it in the 2023 financial year.
If they wanted us to include it, they shouldn't have told us that it's included. So I agree with you. You said it was from the previous year.
Okay.
So it can be part of this year.
But
What will I do? Because I don't want it to be part of this year. Already they did include it this year, but it's not for this year. How can I exclude it?
you're gonna minus from the this year, the 2023.
Yes, that's what I wanted to hear.
Okay.
Okay. So they're asking us for the following notes: direct material, direct labor, factory overheads, production cost statement, cost of finished goods. Okay.
Okay, so
Now, I'm going to ask you some